The Caru Powys project is funded by Shared Prosperity Fund. We work very closely with Powys County Council and other community groups and organisations across the county. We do this through providing list picking hubs and equipment to groups and organisations and individuals to allow them to have that sense of pride of place. And today we're working with the school to go on a litter pick and get the younger children engaged with community and pride of place.
Powys County Council have been working in partnership with Keep Wales Tidy, and by involving communities and young people, we hopefully have that buy-in and that community ownership of the issue of litter, fly tipping, and keeping our communities cleaner, safer and greener.
Through the funding, we've been able to fund some community arts projects. So today we're working with the Coley Connections project on an arts project using artwork that the children have designed themselves to create that sense of place and connection with the wider landscape.
I feel proud about doing this art project with the community. As you can see, the School Eco Committee with Keep Wales Tidy. We're doing a project for Save Our Curlews.
So I work for the Coley Connections Wales project, and with the project we're working within the community and trying to connect more with the community. And Jodie from Keep Wales Tidy got in touch about the BT boxes, and we were really keen to promote what they're doing, the work that Keep Wales Tidy are doing, and also show the problems we've got across the Welsh landscape and connect with rural communities like this one here.
It's just an amazing experience. Yeah, we're spray painting this BT box, and I hope that we do something like this again.
We always receive really positive feedback from volunteers who get involved with litter picking, who have that sense of pride of clearing up their communities and being part of a wider movement.